Now you say you just want bagel, eggs, and grits. And then it turned into this. All I wanted was bagel, eggs, and bacon.
Yeah, that's all I wanted.
And now it turned into this. Never asked for shrimp. Never asked for waffles. Never. Never ever. That's how that is looking. I guess. The end of breakfast. Okay, this is a cabinet that I picked up from Home Depot. And it's not attached, but I have painted it on the front. And then I'm going to paint the sides of it. I'm going to make it look like that on this side. Hi, I forgot to pick up my camera and show you guys the finishing project. So, we did this yesterday. And it was so cute. The music was blasting, so you can hear my thoughts. But the thought on the project is that it turned out great, perfectly. For now, we are finished with this side of the kitchen. So after the man come back and put the wiring in for the underlights on the other side, then we'll start back up on the kitchen. All right, that's all I had to say. Some sense I got RC. I got that. Goes. Hope for some plates. Chicken, orange juice, cranberry juice, pork chops that I'm gonna fry today, a salad that we probably already ate, croissants that we eat in one day, muffins, pizzas. Hold on. Pizzas. We didn't get too much this trip because of the fact that Thanksgiving is coming up. We went there for soap. This thing, we went there for soap and tissue. tissue. There go the Powerade. There go the noodles. Okay, this is the forgotten part of the video. I forgot to do my Sam haul, so I decided to do it early this morning. The Sam haul was kind mayonnaise and tissue, soap, and Clorox or Warren's replacement. Enjoy y'all day. Be blessed, and I will see you guys on the next one.